Many unmarried couples believe they have the same rights as married couples. Unfortunately, no such protections exist. Some believe that they are common law husbands or wives, and despite popular belief, there is no such thing. Unmarried couples often find themselves in a vulnerable position when their relationship breaks down. And this video is to help those in that situation. If you get married, then you acquire certain rights and protection. However, if you are simply living together as a couple, you have no such protection. This means that if you are together and share property and children, you may be put in a very vulnerable position when things go wrong. When a relationship breaks down, it is essential to obtain legal advice at the earliest opportunity. Many believe that they will have acquired rights to their partner's assets after being in a relationship for a certain amount of time. This is not always the case. Regardless of the length of the relationship, you will not always be entitled to any of your partner's pension or any financial support, such as maintenance. This would not be the case if you were married. Also, if the family home is in your partner's sole name, then this could put you in an extremely vulnerable position. If the relationship breaks down, you might not be entitled to a share of the property and worse still, left homeless. The law in relation to property is very complicated, and this is why it's important to seek advice at the earliest opportunity. If you are considering financially contributing to your partner's property, or if you're considering buying a property together, a professionally drawn agreement known as a declaration of trust can protect your interest. Andrew Isaac's law can assist in dealing with this, even if the property has already been purchased. If you separate and children are involved, you may require financial support from your former partner. The law that applies to married couples does not apply to unmarried couples. In these circumstances, there is a complex set of rules and procedures that apply. Getting legal advice in this instance is highly recommended. If you are at the start of a relationship, obtaining legal advice when you move in with your partner can also help protect your position. Whilst it might not seem like the most romantic prospect, seeking legal advice can assist in protecting your legal rights. Some couples consider a cohabitation agreement, which sets out the terms for them living together and for any separation. Should your relationship break down, you will know where each of you stand, and this can make it easier for both parties to move on. If your relationship has broken down, it is important that you obtain informed legal advice from a qualified and experienced lawyer, as these decisions can have a large impact on your future life. Contact Andrew Isaac's Law today to arrange a consultation. Telephone 01302 349 480. Visit the website www.andrewisaacs.co.uk.